guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to create a new 3D model. So this is the drawing of that 3D model. So we are going to start with this base first. Okay, so let's check the outer line how it is. Okay, so let's start. Minimize it. File, new, part. Okay. So we are going to start with base. So select top plane, sketch, line command. Okay, now we will draw the outer line. Always start your drawing from the origin point. So we are going to start from here. And there is a semicircle here. So take your cursor cross, go back to the point and see. It's done. Okay. Now we will define it. Okay, so let's check the dimensions. It's 44 width and 118 horizontally. Okay, so go to the smart dimensions. It's 44. Enter. Okay, now there is no need to give dimensions to this semicircle. We will give to the horizontal line. So the total length was 118 and here the semicircle is of 44 diameter. So it's 22. So let's minus it. 118 minus 22, it's 94. Okay. Now the thickness is of 16 mm. So go to the extruded box base. 16. Okay. Now we are going to use mirror command. Let's see how it is used. We are going to draw this part first and afterwards we are going to mirror the second one. Okay, so minimize it, sketch, select this part and make it normal. For making normal, press Ctrl plus 8 on your keyboard. Now select line command and draw that part. Okay, now again here is a semicircle. Okay, box. Now escape button. Now we will give dimensions. So let's check the dimension. The dimension is, this is 40 and 48. So here the 40 is from the base and already we have 16 mm. So we will minus 40 minus 16, the answer is 24. So go and select smart dimensions. 24. Now we will give the horizontal dimensions. It's 48. Okay. Now we will give thickness. The thickness is 12. Extruded box base. Okay. We will change the direction. Click on this arrow, reverse the direction and the thickness is 12. Okay. So it's done. Now here there is circle, a whole circle. Okay, the diameter is 20 and it's from the baseline till the center of the circle is 40 mm and it's in the center of the 48. Okay, so sketch, select this plane, Ctrl 8, make it normal. Now select circle command and draw a circle. Okay, now we will give dimensions to make the circle fully defined. The diameter of the circle is 20. Okay, now from the base point to the center of the circle, the length is 40. Okay, now it's in the center of 48. So select this line and the center of the circle. You can select circle also and it's 24. Okay, it's perfectly in the center now. Now go to the features, extruded cut. Okay, now click on this arrow through all. Okay. Now we will use mirror command because this part is on the second side also. So now we will select front plane. Here reference geometry. Click on that arrow and select plane. Okay. Now here there is a box. Okay, flip offset. Click on that box. Okay, and now we want center plane in between. Okay, in the midpoint. Okay, so the thickness is the width is 44. 44. So we will type here 22. Okay. So our reference plane is in the center of the rectangle. Okay. Now select mirror command. Okay. Now mirror face plane. We will select this plane. Okay. Now features to mirror. Click on this arrow here. Okay. Now we will select this extruded box 2 plus cut extruded. Okay. Okay. See, it's done here. Now we are going to hide this plane. Okay. Now select on this plane. Okay. Here is a eye symbol. Hide. Click on it. Okay. It's now hidden. The plane is now hidden. Okay. Now here we will draw this oblong box. This oblong box is a cutted box. Okay. It's a hollow box. So let's check how it is. Okay. Minimize it. Now go to the sketch. Select this plane. Make it normal. Ctrl plus 8. Now select line command. Okay. Again there is a semicircle. Come back to the point. So escape, again select line. Ctrl Z. Select line. Okay. Come back to the point. See. It's done. Okay. Now we will give the dimensions to make it defined. So let's check the dimensions. It's 24. The breadth is 16. Okay. And the breadth is 16. Okay. Let's check. Go to the smart dimensions. 24. Okay. Now the breadth is 16. Now this is in the center of this plane. So we will select this line, this point, and 44 divided by 2 is 22. So 22. Okay. Again it's the difference is the dimension is 22. Okay. See, here there is an arc of the radius is given from here, so it's 22. So go to the smart dimensions. See, here is a point. Click on that point and on this point and type here 22. It's correct. It's now fully defined. Now go to the features, extruded cut. Okay. Click here through all. Okay. See, our figure is done now. See, check. See, it's done now. Now we will add colors to here. Edit appearances. Here I am giving this yellow color. So it looks good. Yeah. Okay. So it's our figure is done. First save it. I am saving it. For saving, the shortcut key is Ctrl plus S. Okay. Now it's exercise number 12. Enter. Okay. Now my 3D component is saved here. So thank you for watching my YouTube channel, and please do like and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.